okay. All right, I'm all freshened up. Still bleeding though. All right. Next stop, Detroit. Just hit a couple rough bumps in the road, but the spaceship seems to be okay. All systems are green. Should be all right. Got our first order. Let's go. Sky's not looking friendly over there. I mean, I don't mind it because it'll cool us off a little bit, you know. It's pretty hot out. It's 88 degrees, so I don't mind a little rain. Yeah. Give me the rain. Bring it on. Oh yeah, it is definitely raining now. Definitely raining now.
An amoral.
Okay, some fucking idiot just fucking ran into me.
A great example. Driven by a
in the backside. Luckily, there's not a lot of damage to my car. His car is pretty fucked, but
they are not going to accept this heat.
Detroit, drive better.
Some
Like, what
do.
the fuck? I understand it's raining
They go
and
to you
shit,
and they
but
say,
Jesus.
we will trigger your dope.
Okay, I'll have to get out and do a full damage assessment once the rain lets up. It didn't look like there's any damage. I'm not leaking fuel or anything, so I let that guy off with a warning. Spaceship seems all right. Okay. Did a damage assessment, and I gotta say, I am thoroughly impressed. Our shields held up. They did not penetrate the shields. What I am concerned about now is we're verging on flood zone territory, so let's see how our rudder holds up. All right, this order's not the greatest order, but it's taking us back into downtown Detroit, which is where we want to be centered at today. So we took this order. They said it's inside Torrential Pizza, so hopefully we're at the right place. Yeah, that's about the extent of the damage there. Okay, so they did penetrate the shields. There's a tiny bit of damage. My backup camera looks like there's a little bit of blue haze around the outside now. That was not there before, that's for sure. Oh well, it could have been a lot worse. I'm gonna take a break now, see if I can grab some food somewhere, see what we got. Let's check this place out, huh? Alright, well, found upstairs. Let's see what's going on up here. Just keeps going up. Okay, that was not worth it. That was, they wanted $8 for a Bud Light. Yeah, I don't need a Bud Light that much. It is a game day, so let's try to find some food. Okay, that place was much better. 20 bucks for 2 sliders and a beer? See, that's what I'm talking about. That is value. And you saw the sliders. Those were the breakfast sliders. Maple bacon, fried egg, arugula, pretty good stuff. Vollmer's Bar in Detroit. V-O-L-L-M-E-R-S. Vollmer's Bar. Check it out. Looks like I found my parking spot. There's not a lot going on in Detroit today. It's a Wednesday. The Tigers game got rained out. We got another order. Whoop. All right, let's get to cracking. It's dinner time in Detroit, so these people are hungry. There's Layla. I was looking for you. Yeah. This guy's the best. Only at Layla. definitely coming back. It's probably gonna be here for the night. This order's taking me all the way out to the middle of nowhere again, so. Okay, so that definitely took me the opposite direction of where I needed to go, but that's okay. Saw something over here I wanted to check out anyways. This is what I saw. Looks like a nice little street, but it's pretty quiet. It's pretty dead too. Nice little street though. Boy, oh boy, that does not look friendly at all. We're going right into that. That's right. Jeez, what is that? That looks terrible. That does not look friendly. Alright, well. Okay. It's really coming down now. I just dropped off one order. I ran to the door and they met me at the door, and now I'm soaked. One order. I was in the rain for maybe 15 seconds. But it is really coming down. I gotta get out of this. I'm kind of in an intersection, so I gotta move my car. Might hang out in the car for a minute until this rain dies down. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to find some high ground or something. This place looks nice. Uphill driveway. Here. Let's just park here for a minute. And they have a nice little storm drain. Hopefully it doesn't flood. This looks like high ground a little bit. I don't know, can we get to higher ground? Let's see. Okay, I figure I'm just gonna start heading south. Head south for a few minutes and see how far I can get. See if I can find somewhere to stop and take a rest. These driving conditions are less than ideal. I never knew they had so many lights in Detroit. Look at all these lights. What is this place? This must be a car factory or something. What is this? Whatever it is, it's pumping away. Alright, this is my official review of the Taco Bell quesadilla, or tacodilla. Yeah. They hit it right on the head with this one. They really did right. Exactly what I needed. Alright. I figured out where I'm gonna stay for the night. And I think I'm gonna pack in. You know, we didn't make a lot of money today, but we started late and we ended early. So hopefully Toledo will be better. Tomorrow we go to Toledo. Hey, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.